Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your profile picture on Facebook. It's pretty simple and you want to click on menu at the bottom right. From menu you want to click on your Facebook username which is going to be displayed at the top left. Click on it and once you're inside your Facebook profile, as you guys can see, this is my profile. If I click on my profile picture over here, it's going to show all this option. But you don't want to click on your profile picture. On the profile picture circle you can see a camera icon. Click on the camera icon and click on where it says see profile picture. Once you click on see profile picture, it's going to show you your profile picture. Over here, click on the three dot at the top right and you can see the option called delete photo. Click on delete photo and it's going to show you are you sure. So we are sure, so click on delete and wait for some time and your Facebook's profile picture will be deleted. Now what you can do is just close your Facebook app and reopen it again, and as you guys can see, your profile picture will disappear. That's how you guys can delete your Facebook profile picture. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.